Alright, what's up guys? So this is going to be new system tests in the basement. As you can see, we already have a change to the system, but I'll get into that in a minute. The panel, it's kind of clean now. I always keep it clean, at least for that long, so. Actually got my keys. I was going to need these. As you can see, we already have a new something to the system. As you can see, we already have a new. So, yeah. As you can see, I already have some major changes to the system. I'm out of the panel right there. Oops, I got my keys. Whatever. And as you can see, there's 2 fire alarms right there. And the panel used to be right there, but I removed it and put it over there. And right here, I got. So I'm gonna go and demonstrate all the devices. So I got my Simplex 4251-20, which is basically the 299754. It's kind of like the same. Like it's an older one. It's an addressable one. It's basically conventional, and it's on zone 2. And I got my Firelight BG12. This is the regular BG12. Basically a rebrand. And I got my white Gentex Commander 3 set on low volume code 3 electromechanical horn. And I got my Simplex test station, or like drill switch. And I got my Firelight BG12L. And here it is. And it's just a normal BG12, but now it's a BG12L. It's not a completely rare pole station, but it's certainly not too common. It's pretty uncommon actually. It's actually just a normal BG12L, nothing different. Because if you're to pull it, because the switch right here is a little different. Like in front of put that, it just feels different than a normal BG12 switch. Well better made. It has a permanent box on it. And up here, I got my red Gentex Commander 1 set on code 3. It's on code 3 smoke alarm. And as you can see, we're going on up here. We'll go over here. Wait, why are we upstairs? Because we have a zone up there. Ha ha ha! Yay! It's right now. It's right here now because there's no reason to put it here. That's because my dad always likes potholes. And yeah, it's by Firelight BG12L. It's probably new. It's new to the system. It's wired by telephone wire. Used to be telephone wire there. As you can see, this wire right here. Bam! I got another. I put my Gentex Commander 3 right here. Something low volume code 3 large mechanical horn. And right here. And I actually wanted to go and activate it downstairs. Actually, I will go back up here. And I'll come back up here. Then, so let's go ahead and pull the BG12. So. Let me go upstairs and check on that. So we have to pull something.
Alarm cancelled.
There we go. I'm like, why was it disarming? Why was it disarming? And yeah, I think I made a mistake on there. So yeah, and let's go ahead and do the test switch. And yeah, as you can see, there's little wires right there. They're going up there. And yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is pull this. My grandma's getting angry. My grandma was like getting angry up there because the orange strobe was going off. Like, where's the key? Where's the key? Here it is. So yeah. And I did silence it from the GE Simon XT annunciator. Basically a mini file control panel that's connected over the main control panel. And yeah, that's it for this system test. Stay tuned. Bye.